and to be told that I was coming to Indonesia to learn how to plant coral, to see Hope Reef in person, I was over the moon. You couldn't wipe the smile off my face for weeks. I hope to be part of the engine that keeps that message going forward.
For the past, thousands of years, the ocean and seas have been providing for all of us. And it's time for us to give back. If it's not now, then when?
I knew I wanted to do something that changed the world, and this is that. And it feels like I'm finally getting to do the thing I always wanted to do.
What do I hope to achieve with this program? It's so little and it's so much all at the same time. It's not just the small things that you do every day, but it can be something a little bit bigger that you can go and do as part of your life, which is restore coral reefs. And I get to develop personally, professionally, but also in my diving skills. And I get to see how the company I'm part of really gives importance not only to the environment, but also to the community.
Community has been redefined to me this week. To see a community like Pontozoa Island and the way everyone takes so much joy in the work that's being done, and everyone collaborates and helps build the reef stars and put the coral fragments on the reef stars has just been amazing, and I would love to come back.
To see Hope Reef for the first time was amazing, and seeing how big it has developed and how fast it has developed was just unbelievable, and the scale of it as well, because we are able to really build that quickly. I was really impressed, and I was really proud to be there.
Personally, to be involved in this work is bigger than I ever thought. So I want to be someone that is bringing positive change to the world, and being sponsored by my company. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.